Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share Facebook posts to Instagram in just a few steps. First, you need to check whether your Facebook account is linked with Instagram or not. If it's not linked, I will guide you on how to link it. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone. Tap on your profile in the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Tap on See More in Account Center. Tap on Sharing Across Profiles. Here you can see whether your Instagram account is attached to your Facebook account or not. If your Instagram account is not attached, tap on Add Account. Enter your email address and password and log in. Once your Instagram account is successfully attached, go back. Tap on Profile to return to your profile page. Now, let's post and check if it gets shared on Instagram as well. After returning to your profile, we will create a post and check if it gets posted on Instagram simultaneously. To post, tap on the post icon. Select an image that you want to post. Now, I will write a title. After writing the title, you will see that my Instagram toggle is on. If yours is off, tap on it to turn it on. Now, go back and tap on Post in the top right corner. You can see the post is being uploaded on Facebook. The post has successfully been uploaded to Facebook. Now, let's check if it has also been posted on Instagram. Open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Refresh the page once, and you can see the post has been successfully uploaded to Instagram as well. And that's it. How to share Facebook posts to Instagram. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.